am in the Nebraska National Forest. I drove by here a couple of years ago when I was working up in South Dakota and had seen this just close to sunset. Out here in the middle of the sand hills, all of a sudden came across a sign for the Nebraska National Forest. Ever since then, I wanted to come back and check it out, and finally got an opportunity working reasonably close to here that I was able to get free for an afternoon and come over and check out some of the sites. They did have a forest fire here a couple years ago. I think it was 2022. So I'm headed back to the Whitetail Campground, which, if all goes well, will be the first of 3 campgrounds that we visit in this series. So I just left pavement a minute ago. Came in off of Nebraska Highway 2 over from Broken Bow. So we're between Broken Bow and Thetford, I believe is the other town. Closest town, just a little tiny town, Halsey. Right after Halsey, I turned into the Bessey Ranger District by the ranger headquarters there. There's a campground right there that's paved. It'll probably be our 3rd one we visit. Decided to get out the knock out the far ones first. So there's a lookout tower here in the area. Unfortunately, during the forest fire back in 22, the wood steps and the wood platform of that lookout tower caught fire and burned. So it's gated off now. Don't know when that will reopen, but if you're ever in the area, it'd be worth doing a little research to see if it's open. About another 5 miles to go back down the dirt road here, just winding through the sand hills here. All of the national forest here started out early 1900s. One guy decided to see what he could plant. Brought in some ponderosa pines and a couple other trees and planted, I forget the exact number, was about 40 acres was what he initially planted. And then the next year came in and planted some more and kind of grew from there. Over by the ranger station, there's the Bessey nursery where they grow the seedlings that they come out and plant. And I believe you can do a tour there. I don't know if that's year-round or if that's summertime only. From the little bit of research I did online before coming out here, it sounded like the Whitetail Campground, which we're going to first, busy season for them is in November during the hunting season. And then same, our second campground is going to be, I think, called Natick or Natick Campground. Correct me on that if anybody knows. But that one also said November was the busy season. Definitely in the sand hills here. Look at that sand. So I'm about a mile off of what they call Circle Road, which is the road that circles through the National Forest. It looks like it's not quite another mile to the campground up here. But you can see there where I was backing up and spun the wheels. I tried to make a right up here, right up there. But yeah, there's just no way I was going to get the car through that. Definitely need high clearance. I was rubbing on the getting, I wouldn't say high centered, I was just scraping on the center of the road here on the grass. back at the main road. Circle Road. So we'll continue. Look at that. Whitetail Campground, 3 miles. This is not the road Google told me to go down. Let's try it out. Well, that was an adventure, but we made it. Rookie mistake. I should have grabbed a motor vehicle use map at the ranger station. I was on the phone when I came in, so I decided to just go. Right, just right inside the gate here, campsite number 1. Big area with turnaround. So I think the other road that I was on did connect up with the road that got in here. So had I had proper equipment, I think I could have made it. Looks like it's $15 per night. I'll throw that on the screen if that is not correct. We do have horse corrals in this campground. Somebody left an archery target over here by the horse corral. So the Dismal River is just straight ahead of us, probably 100 yards or less. The Middle Loop River is over by the main entrance off Highway 2. Alright, campsite 3. Off to the right. We'll pull through it. There's a hand water pump back in here. Fire ring, broken picnic table. A glimpse of the river there. I don't know if both of those are meant to be site 3. There's 2 fire rings. And just out my right window here on the other side of this fence is the Dismal River. Cell phone signal with AT&T. I've got 1 bar of LTE service. There's that outhouse again. Site 5. Off to our right side. So that must have been site number 4, the one that had the broken picnic table. I don't think there's many sites back here, maybe 7 total. All the horse corrals are separate from the campsites. Another hand pump. Oh, we do have some horse corrals over here. Site number 6. Site number 7. So 2 outhouses so far. Another windmill in the stock tank. That would be the 3rd windmill I've seen so far. Site number 8 on the left. There's a picnic table up through the middle of this loop. There's a couple more sites down this middle road. Here on the left, site number 10. Site number 9. Just a smaller one. This is back to site 8 and so on over there by the river. I like those sites. Go 6, 7, 8 or 7 and 8. Driven down this road yet. This side. Yeah, this is just back way in out to the outhouse. So I didn't see site 2. Had to have been up front. Alright, we're coming back out. 3, 4, 5 off to the left. Oh, here is site 2. Totally missed it. So that backs up to site 1. There's site 1. Site 6, 7, and then 8 right here.